Hazzan and I want to wish you a happy Hanukkah. It's this time of year we think about Jewish pride. In fact, there are a number of families that want to demonstrate the pride of Hanukkah by putting Hanukkah lights on their house. And the truth of the matter is that the tradition is to light the Hanukkiah by the window so that all can see it as they drive or walk by. You know, in ancient times, the Maccabees had to stand up for the right to be Jewish against the Syrian Greeks. It was important to demonstrate the sense of identity and of their connections to Judaism and to their God. And so they had to rededicate the temple. That's where the name Hanukkah comes from, to dedicate. And so in a time of year in America especially, when we have lights of Christmas and so many other celebrations, the sense of doing Jewish activities and feeling our own religious identity is so important. And that's why we light the Hanukkiah. Preferably, as I said, in the window, but there are many people who want to celebrate in a different place, to bring family around, or to light multiple Hanukkiyot for each member of the family. And so we're going to show you now how to light the Hanukkiah and celebrate together. As you can see, we put the candles in from right to left, beginning the first night when you have one candle, and of course you have the shamash. And so you put them in from right to left. But when we light them, you're going to notice we're going to light them the newest night first, from left to right. And so I'm going to light the shamash, and Hazzan Stein is going to lead us now in the blessing. Because unlike the Shabbat candles, we're actually going to recite the blessings first and then light the candles.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lehadlik ner shel Hanukah Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam she'asa nisim lavoteinu bayamim hahem b'zman hazeh. And then, if it's the first night, we sing the Shehechianu. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Shehechianu v'kiyamanu v'higiyanu lazman hazeh. Maoz Tzur Yeshuati Lechanae L'shabeach Tikon betefilati V'sham toda nizabeach Le'etachin matbeach Nitzar hamna beyach Az egmor b'shir mizmor Chanukkat hamizbeach Az egmor b'shir mizmor Chanukkat hamizbeach